our canal cruise.
NoiVerse. Hear it, learn it.
Wow, Tom, look at all these canals.
Yes, Amsterdam is full of them. It's beautiful.
Welcome on board, everyone. My name is Mark, and I'll be your guide today.
Hi, Mark. It's our first time in Amsterdam.
That's great. You picked a perfect day for a boat tour.
The weather is amazing. Not too cold, not too hot.
Yes, it's a typical Dutch spring day, sunny with a little wind.
How many canals are there in Amsterdam?
There are more than 100 canals.
Wow, that's more than Venice, right?
Yes, actually it is. Amsterdam has more canals and bridges than Venice.
That's so cool.
We're now passing under one of the oldest bridges in the city.
How old is it?
It's from the 17th century, about 400 years old.
Incredible. It looks very strong.
The Dutch are very good at building things that last.
I can see many old houses by the canal.
Yes, those are traditional canal houses. They are narrow and tall.
Why are they so narrow?
Because people paid taxes based on the width of the house.
Oh, so the thinner the house, the less tax they paid.
Exactly. That's why they built tall, narrow homes.
I love their colorful doors and windows.
Yes, and some still have old hooks on the roof for lifting furniture.
Really? That's smart.
We'll soon pass the Anne Frank house on your left.
Oh, I've read her diary. It's very moving.
Many visitors come here because of her story.
Can we visit it later?
Yes, but you need to book tickets online in advance.
Good to know. Thanks.
Look ahead. That's the Wester Church Tower.
It's so tall.
It's one of the most famous churches in Amsterdam.
The view from the boat is perfect.
Yes, the canals show the heart of the city.
Do people still live in those canal houses?
Yes, some are homes, others are offices or hotels.
I see a houseboat.
There are many. People actually live in them year-round.
That must be nice, waking up on the water every day.
Yes, it's peaceful, but also expensive.
I can imagine.
We're now entering the Golden Bend, where the richest families used to live.
These houses look huge.
Yes, they belonged to merchants and bankers in the 1600s.
I feel like I'm in a movie.
Amsterdam can feel like that. History everywhere you look.
This tour is amazing, Mark.
I'm glad you're enjoying it.
Thank you for all the stories.
My pleasure. Don't forget to take some photos before we return.
Already done.
Me too. I'll remember this day forever.
That's wonderful. Welcome to Amsterdam, the city of canals.
NoiVerse. Hear it, learn it.